OMRON nebulizers have literally changed my life. They've changed our family's life, and of course, they've changed Hunter's life. I know that a mother's intuition is real. I immediately could tell something was wrong with Hunter. We had one of those little devices on his feet to track his oxygen. And each night it would go off. And we'd run to him and he seemed to be okay. Well, it happened over and over and over again. So eventually we just took him to the doctor and we said, there's something wrong. When we finally got the asthma diagnosis, I was a little bit nervous, but I also was so grateful to finally have answers, to finally know what to do. Well, I first went online, and because there were so many opinions, I went over to my Instagram people and I said, Kate, my boy is struggling. What have you done? I had several people mention OMRON, and I was like, okay, I need to check this out because clearly people love it. The first nebulizer that I ordered from OMRON was the pediatric nebulizer. And I love that one so much because it is small, compact, and it has a little elephant on it, and it just makes him feel like a kid. It makes him feel like home. It's comfortable. He has it right there by our couch every single day, and he knows how to do it, and we do it together, and it's so simple. You literally just, one thing connects to the other, you put the medicine in, you put it on, and it's ready to go. And it is by far the best nebulizer that I've ever used. After Hunter had an emergency when we were on vacation, I knew that I needed something to be just kept in my car or my bag or somewhere to just be safe, because it can happen anywhere. And that was when I found out about the portable mesh nebulizer by OMRON. It is so small and fits right into my diaper bag. We can be anywhere at any time and he can pull it out and for those emergencies, and it's just right there. We think about these big, bulky hospital nebulizers that are so loud. And I love OMRON because they pretty much cancel all of that out. They're quiet, they're small, they're easy, they're portable. It gives me a peace of mind. It gives me the confidence in knowing that he's gonna be okay and that he will get better. Looking back to how Hunter used to be as a baby, I worried night and day, wondering if he was gonna be okay. I always wondered if he would be able to join the soccer team. I wondered if he'd be able to play at the park. I know that as Hunter grows, he's going to be able to have different nebulizers that work best for him from OMRON, and I'm so happy that he gets that he's going to be able to use them daily forever. Well, they have truly changed his lungs, his life, and I'm so, so grateful for them.